What's up everybody, Tristan here, and today I'm going to be packing everything I need for a full year of travel. I know I'll be traveling for at least 1 year, but I might make it 2 or 3, I don't know, who really knows. So yeah, welcome to packing. I'll show you everything I'm bringing for a year of travel. This suitcase right here, this is what I'm going to be leaving at my parents' house. So I did get rid of most of my stuff, as you can see in the past 3 videos. Also, all the clothes that were on this thing, I sold some of them, actually none of them really sold. I really just donated all of them. I did keep a couple of dress clothes. So some dress clothes I have in a closet, and then that I'm leaving also with my parents. Everything else, everything I own, I've either sold it, donated it, gotten rid of it, and this is literally, oh, let me show you my bags. This is literally all I have to fit it in. So this is just like a school backpack that I got, kind of like hiking school backpack. I got a duffel bag, like 90 liters, which is really big. It also does serve as a backpack. It's kind of like a duffel bag backpack. So I don't want anyone thinking I'm like being like, oh, I'm a minimalist or whatever like that, because I'm definitely not. I met someone in a hospital, a great friend of mine. I worked with her for a whole month. Her name was Sophia. She lived out of a big purse. Like, you know those big old purses that, you know, every girl in your high school wears, and they like, or not wears, but they like uses like a backpack pretty much. That's what she used, and she lived like that for 3 years, so I think I can easily fit all my camera equipment and everything I'll need for a year or so in these bags. Anyways, let's get to it. This is already becoming a hard decision. So I have 4 long sleeve shirts here, and I realized I don't need 4. That's too many. 3 long sleeve shirts is all I'm gonna bring. This 4th one, I love it. It looks sick, but I don't know. I don't need it. Now, 2 other ones, in case for whatever reason I need to dress up. This is the dressiest shirt I'm gonna have for the next year, so I don't know, for whatever reason I need to go out, I got this. I don't really need to bring this, but I like it a lot, so I'm gonna bring it. Something I said in one of my packing videos is that always pack light. Don't pack as much as you need, because you can just buy stuff there, and the stuff you get is gonna be like kind of cool culturally there. But for me, I'm bringing stuff that I'm willing to give up too, so I'm happy when I find stuff to get rid of it. As you see later, something I'll be doing is I'm going to be bringing a lot of toiletries, and the reason for that, because I wanted to fill my suitcase with that, but over the year, I'll be running out of those things. It'll give me extra room in my suitcase, and then I can add new things that I get while I'm traveling there. Now, as far as pants goes, here's what I got. I got just some good old-fashioned khakis, because, you know, everyone needs some khakis. 1 pair of sweatpants, but these are like cool, you know, like jogger, like chill sweatpants. 1 pair of jeans, and 1 pair of actual like workout sweatpants if I want to work out. Alright, now this is probably the hardest thing for me to bring. All this long sleeve stuff, all these take up so much room, and I hate, because I'm not going to use them for a while, because I'm going there in the summertime. I'm literally getting there in October. That's like, because, you know, their summer and winters are flipped, so that's like April time here, so it's like literally just entering summer, and I'm bringing all this long sleeve stuff, but I will be there in the winter too, so I do need to bring this stuff. However, this is what I'm going to do, since I don't think I'm going to need this stuff much. Check this out. This little thing, it is a compression bag. You put all the stuff in it, and then you zip it back up, and it compresses everything down. So right here, I'm gonna see how much of this long sleeve stuff I just showed you I'll be able to fit in here. Alright, so this right here is all my warm winter stuff, besides for 2 pair of pants that didn't fit in there. A lot of stuff. Check out how big this is. Wow, these little space savers are so incredible. Check out, that's all the room is gonna be taken up. Alright, now another thing I always pack really heavy on is underwear. So I do not want to have to do laundry that often, and so, you know, you can wear most of your clothing stuff like 2-3 times before it really gets dirty. But underwear, you know, I only like to wear my underwear once, so I try bringing like all the underwear I can. I'm probably gonna bring like 10, 11 pairs of underwear. I think that's about how many I have. I'm just packing all my underwear up in this little squishy thing, and I realized I got a little bit more room in it, so I'm gonna be packing some headbands. As you know, I'm a headband guy. Headbands are the best, and fanny packs. Can't forget the fanny pack. Damn. That is dense. Alright, next up, I'm going to be packing hella tank tops, because it's Australia, mate, and you know, it's going to be warm there. It's going to be summertime, and I love wearing tank tops. I'm going to see if I can also fit these, the last 2 pairs of pants in here too. Alright, there we go. 8 tank tops, 2 pairs of pants, all in this little thing. If you can't tell by now, I'm not really packing that light, honestly. Like, I'm packing everything I want. Something I really want to start doing when I'm in Australia, and I haven't really done before, is do like clothes exchange with people. So, you know, you meet someone really cool when you're traveling, and instead of you just like, you know, saying bye to them, you can trade like your shirt for their shirt, exchange shirts. You get to wear their shirt for a little bit, they get to wear yours. Kind of cool, freshens your wardrobe up, gives you a little bit of memory of them. So that's something I want to be doing, and another reason why I'm bringing all this damn clothing. Alright friends, well that is it for tonight. It is currently Monday. It's about like 1:30, I don't know, 2 in the morning. It's pretty late. I leave Wednesday at 4 a.m. so I'm going to be finishing up my packing tomorrow. Got some laundry to do, so I'm getting a little tired, so I'm going to go to bed, and I'll see you when I wake up tomorrow. I am back. It is Tuesday. I am leaving tomorrow. This right here, this is all the stuff. It is ready to go. One thing I just realized is, alright, it is again another late night. Look at that. 12:02. I'm officially leaving. I'm leaving at 4 a.m. So if you haven't gotten it by now yet, yes, I'm a procrastinator. Just getting all this packing done. But here we go. Let's make this quick. I'll share with you what all I'm packing. All right, here we go. Here are my shorts. I packed the athletic shorts yesterday. But what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of regular casual shorts. 2 swimsuits. I have 3 athletic shirts. 1 casual like beach button-down shirt. And it looks like 8 regular t-shirts. Lots of socks because I got stinky feet and I go through at least 1 pair of socks a day, and I don't want to be doing laundry all the time. On top of that, I also brought these suspenders just in case if I'm ever at a hostel, it's like some dress-up night. I don't know. These are some fun suspenders I feel like I can get some use out of, so we're bringing these. Ready? Ooh. Moving on to the rest of the stuff, we got right here a quick dry microfiber towel. Got all this is headphones, glasses, camera gear, and something I can hold my phone in and bring it in water. Yeah, little stands. I will say, this is one thing. If I have enough room, I'm going to bring it. But this is a tripod for my camera. It's compact, but yeah, it's still big. So if I have room, I'll bring it. Something, I don't think I've really talked much on this channel, but I'm a huge Frisbee buff. I love playing Frisbee. It's one of my passions. One of the things I'm like... Oh shoot, I thought I almost just showed my number to everyone. But yes, love Frisbee. You know, if I don't have enough room in this bag for this Frisbee, we're getting rid of some shirts because this is more important than some shirts. Some gymnastics grips. I don't really do gymnastics anymore, but just in case I want to swing around. Alright, the toiletries. I told you all I'd be going heavy on these toiletries because I know they're going to run out. And so, big ass thing of lotion right here. Face lotion. I put this on every day, and it's kind of low. There's about that much left in it. So, I got another one because I know that'll be gone in a couple weeks. So, another thing of lotion. Shaving cream. 3-in-1 all hair body wash conditioner, some hair salts. This, oh my god, this is one of my favorite. Harry's is like a exfoliator. I don't know, you put it on the shower. I love it. This is one of those things like I'm not gonna have it all the time when I travel, but hey, I'll bring it with me until it runs out. And then this, some sun-in. You know, I did a whole video on this. This is what lightened my hair, and I'm kind of liking this bleachy blonde look, so I'm gonna be keeping it. You know, maybe it'll help me fit in with the local Aussies. It's a little typical, what's it, dot kit. And then this thing right here. Actually, a special someone, no, just kidding, someone I play Frisbee with gave me this. Their company makes it. It's for like, I don't know, you like roll on your back here and here. I don't know. He said he's going to send me some information on it. I don't actually know how to use it, but he gave it to me as a gift when I was saying goodbye to the Frisbee guys. And so I'm going to bring it to the gym, not travel around with it, but bring it to the gym for the guys to use. I don't know. I guess it'll be like my little gift to the gym. Oh, I almost forgot. I am bringing 3 pairs of shoes. These, some Chacos. I've literally had these shoes for 5.5 years. Look at these. Don't these look great? I mean, like, okay, they're a little dirty right now. 5.5 years. They're good and strong, holding up. I've hiked cities in these. I've hiked mountains in these. Literally use these everywhere. Sorry, what is this? It's not out. Next, cannot forget my beloved fanny pack. And then my 3rd pair of shoes that I'm bringing right here. Just some tennis shoes. All right, let's get all this packed up. There we go, that's it. I'm done. I got everything in here. This one's honestly pretty empty, not much in there. This, pretty full to the top. So full that, unfortunately, I could not fit this in there. So I will not have a camera tripod, which is unfortunate. Make do with what I got. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Guess that's it. That's a wrap. Peace.